Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 67 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, you want to grab this for yourselves and build along with me this beautiful, beautiful model. Follow the link to the DeAgostini website just there. There is a clickable version in the description below, folks, and you too can subscribe to this wonderful product. You will not be disappointed, folks. We'll have a quick shufty through the magazine. Magazine's free there, a unique prototype. A little bit more squared off there, isn't it? Nicknamed was Shorty. It says, create the Mustang free. Its designers shortened the tail of the standard four-seater model and got rid of the rear seats, but they left the front of the passenger compartment unchanged. So they basically chopped about, what, 10, 12 inches out of the car. Impressive. We're doing the support for the rear seats today and bolting that to the back end of the model there. So keep an eye out for that. And this is where it's going to go. So you're going to need your seat section that we've built previously. And that's where all the screws are going. You've got a couple of PS25s each side and then a 08 right in the middle, folks, okay? And this is what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue for your Mustang, folks. The beginnings of the rear seat going in. So, yeah, it's coming together really well. Says here, Charles Nash, the forgotten pioneer, in 1897, he gave up working on a farm for a job stuffing upholstery in a company that was making electric cars. Back then. Yeah. And then from the lowly beginning, he went to become one of the auto industry's leading innovators. However, today he's all but forgotten. What a shame. Bless him. An immaculately restored example of a 2.8 litre straight-six Nash Ajax. Looks very gangster, doesn't it? This is cute. This was the Nash Metropolitan. You then got off-road truck racing. God, look at that. Strain that must be under. I love all of this. And then obviously the Dakar Rally. Yeah. I'd love to be a passenger in a vehicle gunning it through the Dakar Rally. And then obviously off-road races, spectacular stuff. There's Robbie Gould in a 2013 event. And then this is the Speed Off-Road Championships as well. Who remembers the monster trucks back in the day? I don't know whether they're still a thing. But anywho, let's get a bit of assembly done for you, folks. So we'll get our components out and the bits we built last time. And we'll put this together for you. Rightio, this is what we've got today, this plastic section here. And this is going to sit behind what we had built before, folks. So let's get that in place. So there's the dash and all the seat unit. And we are going to be going on here. Just like so. Okay. So I'm going to put in the 25, get one of those each side, and then we'll come back and we'll pop the middle one in. Again, bit of oil. And we'll go for a middle one there. Like that. And then we'll do the same the other side. Go for one in the middle. And that'll start pulling that down into place. Just like that. Quickly pop one in the centre section. Might as well grab that. That's a PS08 going in there. Got a couple of those spare in this issue. These ones have a built-in washer on them, just retains that plastic lug in place, so we don't need that one. But we just want a pair of them now. We can do the outer edges. A bit of oil. Same on there. Just put my hand underneath, just give that a little bit of tension, like so. And then that leaves us one for that corner, just like so. And then we can just pinch that together. And I use my hand purely so that I'm not putting too much pressure on them seat backs. So that's that now in place. And that's what we got at the end of it. We got this in situ now ready for all the folding seat unit and all of that lot to go in place. So that's what we got today, folks, for you. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow the link to the DeAgostini website. There is a clickable version below. And you too can be building along with me. Also, to help me out, just give little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be immensely grateful. Helps me grow. And also, to get notified of future content, just give the little bell a click and select all, and then you'll know about all the new videos that are coming out across the channel. Okay? So until then, stay safe and well. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I will see you next time. Bye-bye for now.